Hi guys, today we are going to start with the last lesson about the diseases that are autosomal or sex-linked, which is the sex-linked dominant disease. The disease we are going to talk about today is the vitamin-resistant rickets, which is a disease that is manifested by deformities in the skeleton following an insufficient calcification of bones. The disease cannot respond to vitamin D treatment. So if you give the person vitamin D, he won't be able to heal. Okay, so here you have the pedigree of the family affected, and the first question will be determine whether the allele responsible for the disease is dominant or recessive. So of course, since the disease appears in every generation, then and every affected person has an affected parent, so the allele coding for the disease is dominant. Next, we are going to write the symbols, of course. And the second question will be determine the localization of the gene. So if you see, you have every affected daughter has an affected father, so definitely it's not autosomal. If it is on the non-homologous segment of Y, then only males will be affected, but it's not the case because you see that there are females also. So this disease is located on the non-homologous segment of X. The last question is to specify the genotypes of the parents. So if you take parent 1, which has only one X, since he is a male, so definitely he is diseased and the disease is dominant, so he have XR. And the mother, which is normal, and the normal is recessive, which only appears in the homozygous form, and she has two X, she possesses two alleles of X, so she has XN, XN. I will ask you please to solve the pedigree, to specify the genotypes of all this pedigree.